How to schedule an email, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever wanted to send an email to yourself in the future? Maybe you want to remind yourself of something important, or perhaps you just want to have a good laugh. Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule an email using a simple trick. Before we get started, here's a funny joke. Why did the Scarecrow love his job? Because it was outstanding in his field. Okay, now let's get down to business. The Vinny story. I remember the day like it was yesterday. I was sitting at my desk, feeling overwhelmed by all the things I had to do. I thought to myself, wouldn't it be great if I could just send myself an email in the future, reminding myself of all the important stuff? So, I decided to give it a try. I used a service called Boomerang. It's a great tool that allows you to schedule emails to be sent at a later date. I typed up a quick email to myself, reminding me of all the things I needed to get done. Then, I scheduled it to be sent to me in a week. When the email arrived, I was surprised at how much I had forgotten. It was like reading a message from a stranger. I laughed out loud as I read through the list of things I had thought were so important. It was a great reminder that things change quickly, and it's important to stay on top of things. How to schedule an email. Choose an email service. Most popular email services, like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, offer scheduling features. Compose your email. Write the email you want to send. Schedule the email. Look for the Schedule or Send Later option. It's usually located near the Send button. Set a date and time. Choose when you want the email to be sent. Confirm. Double-check the date and time, then send the email. That's it. You've successfully scheduled an email. Now, sit back and relax knowing that you've taken care of something in advance. A word of thanks. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video as well. This video was created with the help of artificial intelligence and some very smart smartphones. I'm amazed at what technology can do these days. God bless, and have a great day.